Your Canva mobile app opens and a video starts playing right away. Sound jumps out. The screen moves before there is a time to think. This usually happens at the worst moment when focus matters. The autoplay setting is the reason and it can be controlled in less than a minute. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to enable or disable video autoplay on Canva mobile app. The steps work on both Android and iPhone and nothing complicated is involved. Start by opening the Canva app on the phone. Wait until the home screen fully loads. Look at the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This opens the main menu. From there, tap on Settings. This area controls how the app behaves, not how designs look. So changes here affect the whole experience. Inside Settings, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Once done, tap on the Accessibility option and scroll slowly. Do not rush past the options because the autoplay setting sits lower on the page. Look for an option called Autoplay Videos. When this option is opened, Canva asks how videos should behave. Choosing Use My System Preference allows the phone's own autoplay rules to decide. If the phone blocks autoplay, Canva will follow the rule. Choosing autoplay off stops videos from playing automatically inside the app. Videos stay still until play is stopped, which helps save data and keeps the workspace cool. Choosing autoplay on allows videos to start playing as soon as they appear. After selecting the option, back out of settings. No save button is needed. The change happens immediately. Go back to a design or template and check the behavior. The difference shows right away. If the autoplay videos option does not appear, the app version is usually the reason. Open the App Store and update Canva to the latest version. After updating, close the app fully and open it again. Settings sometimes refresh only after restart. Autoplay feels helpful at first, but many people prefer control. Turning it off gives a quieter workspace and better focus. Turning it on helps preview motion designs faster. Either way, the choice stays in control, not the app. I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. If you would like, please like this video and leave a comment, as it really happens support the channel.